going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another one here, J&A Motorsports and Trucking. Was going to go out last night, pulled in here to get fuel, and wifey heard an air leak. Started looking for it. Come to find out, it's an airbag. Lo and behold, right? So going to get that fixed. So God willing, I can go out tonight. So wifey's just going to build up the air, let the air build up, and then I'm going to be changing out this front airbag, which is back there. So yeah, guys, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to take y'all with me and show you how I do it. I don't know. That's the bad one. That's the bad guy, boys. So, kind of here. All right, guys. So, couldn't get the hose out of the fitting. So what I did was I cut it flush with the fitting. I'm just going to have to replace the fitting as well, which sometimes is safer to play it that way anyway, boys. So we're going to have to run and grab a new fitting to put in the new bag. But that's what I've done so far. Cut that line off right there, and then gotta get back in there, get that bolt right there out, get this bolt right here out, and then there's a bolt under the bag, and that should free my bag up. So stay with me, I'll be back.
Break.
All right, boys, so we just gonna bust this big nut pause loose underneath. Actually, all right, guys, now the bag should slide right out just like that. All right, guys, see what's going down. Got a new fitting for this thing. Got new bolts since the old ones broke. Bad boy's going right there. Alright, guys, so we got the bolts up here started. They were a pain in the butt. We got them started now, so just gonna get them tightened down. Got our new fitting on there. Line hook back up like so. Just tighten the bottom nut up. All right, guys, just letting it build up air pressure. Got the new airbag installed. Letting it build up air pressure. We can make sure that we got it fixed. All right, boys, that'll do it for this video. Got the airbag replaced. Everything's good, no more leaks. We'll be back at it tonight, headed to Massachusetts like the usual. So if this video helped any of you out, definitely consider hitting the like button and the subscribe. Neither one of them costs you a thing. I appreciate you all. Love you all. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one. We out.